Hello students. Today we'll begin with next chapter, chapter number 9, strategies for enhancement in food production. Now the first topic in the chapter is dealing with animal husbandry. From a very long time, humans have reared animals for various food products like egg, milk, meat, honey, etc. Today also, due to a very sharp increase in world population, there is a sharp demand in food production. So animal husbandry has to be included along with the plant breeding to fulfill this need of food production. So animal husbandry is a vast field which includes scientific rearing of cattle farming, poultry farming, beekeeping, and fish culturing. Whereas in plant breeding, techniques are developed for producing better varieties which are high yielding, disease resistant, and drought tolerant. Now coming to animal husbandry. You will be surprised to know that India contributes 70% of livestock population in the world, but we contribute only 25% of world farm produce. The main reasons are poor animal husbandry management techniques. So animal husbandry is a very important field. In animal husbandry, we have to manage scientifically dairy farm, poultry farm. In this method, we include both traditional methods as well as modern methods, where proper management about increasing production along with attaining the quality of the product has to be managed scientifically. For that, increasing production, we need to include high yielding breeds which have high disease resistance. Along with that, we have to provide a scientific feed which is nutritious, and we have to take their proper hygienic and vaccination techniques. Sheltering is a very important aspect where the animals have to be safe and they should be kept in clean environment. They should be properly treated for various types of diseases and should be properly vaccinated. Their feed should be very nutritious, which should include all fiber, protein, and bulk. Regular cleaning has to be done. So along with this, when we are dealing with animals, in traditional methods, we generally use hand technique for milching and managing the product, which is not very hygienic. Today, in farm management technique, more mechanized methods for milching, storing, and transporting the products are being used. Because if you compare the hand method technique with machine, we see that infection through hand method is very fast as compared to the mechanized methods. So, a scientific inspection, record keeping, and other techniques have to be included. Likewise, in poultry farm techniques also, we have to cater all the needs of these poultry birds, which may be chicken, duck, turkey, or geese. These birds are reared both for meat as well as for egg. So these birds, their breed should be good. Like, for example, Leghorn is a very good breed in hen. So along with the breed, their sheltering should also be hygienic. They should be provided with nutritious feed, and their vaccination and infection should be managed, because when these birds are diseased, in many diseases which are very contagious like bird flu transmits from the bird to the products, and through these products like chicken and egg, it is transmitted to human beings. That's why the poultry management should be done very scientifically, so that it increases the income of the farmer along with fulfilling the demands of the population. So after poultry farming, we'll be taking up other aspects of the animal husbandry in next segment.